learn DCL commands, right? So let us see what are the commands under this category. So we have two commands under this category, that is grant and revoke. While grant command is used to grant powers to the user, and revoke command is used to take back powers from given to a user. And please note that these two commands can be executed by power user only. Like in this case, I'm going to take a user that is called system. System is a power user which has powers to grant uh, any powers to any user, right? So let's directly jump to the SQL prompt. First of all, we need to create a user so that we are able to test grant and revoke on that user. So to create a user, we'll use create user. I've taken name A1, identified by B1. So A1 is the name of the user, B1 is the password. The user is created. Now I would try to log in with this simple connect A1 public, मतलब पासवर्ड आप पब्लिक करके दे सकते हैं B1. It says user A1 lacks create session privilege. The meaning is that even this A1 user has not got powers for login, right? So let's grant that power. Create, sorry, connect. So I'm for granting I'm connecting with power user, that is system oblique system, right? Connected. Now I would grant create session to A1. It says grant succeed. Now to test it, let's go ahead. Uh, Connect A1. I'm connecting with the user A1 who has just got grants for login. So A1 oblique B1 connected. Let's log in. So you are able to see it here. Earlier, I was getting a message that user A1 lacks create session privilege. But after granting by system user that A1 is allowed to create session. Create session means able to log in. See it here. After this grant, A1 was able to log in and was able to uh, be connected. Let's do one more thing. Create table or create table ABC. I have taken only one column, that is name where care 2 for example only, size 20, close. It says insufficient privilege, means this user has not got privilege to create table. So again, I need to connect with system user to grant power to this A1 user. So grant create table to A1. A1 is the name of the user. It says grant succeeded. So this way you are able to grant. Let us see whether this user is able to create a table or not. The table created. See, this way, with the help of this grant, this user is able to create table. So with the help of these two examples, I was able to demonstrate you grant. The one grant given to A1 is to, for creation of table. Before that, the grant was given to him is to create session. His first grant was for login, second grant was for creating table. Now let us take back it. So again I need to log in with the power user to revoke privileges given. Login, no, not login, connect system, system connected. Now I will write revoke create table, create create table from A1. Revoke succeeded, means up now onwards this user will not be able to create table. Let's test. Create table def and field name is name varchar size 20. Let's see. Oh, this is done by the system user, so that's why I was able to create. Let me connect with the A1. So A1 से connect किया and then I will try to create table. ABC1 is the name of the table, and then I will try to create. It says insufficient privilege. Okay, class. So this was created under system user category. After that, I have connected with A1 user, from which the create table grant has been taken back. So after this grant taken back, this user is not able to create table. Now I hope you are able to understand with the help of these two simple examples how grant and revoke function works. For granting, you need to be a power user. Similarly, for revoking, you need to be a power user. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe this channel.